This is my fully functional ESP32 Bluetooth controlled clock. Clock says it's 12:09 because by default it is set to 12 and it was running for 9 minutes. Now 10 minutes. Change the time to the right time. All I need to do is press A and it enters this flashing set mode. Then I can type 11:59 because that's what time it is, and I press A again and the clock says 11:59. The clock has 3 brightness settings. I press 4, it gets dim. Press 5, it gets a little brighter. And 6 is a little brighter than 5. Not much of a difference between 5 and 6, but it still changes. If you would like to try to build this clock yourself, I have a link to the code in the description. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out on any new experiments and fun projects.